This is a model with 4 working sections: scanning, nesting, counting, and collecting, all in one table. It is widely used in leather car seats, shoes, bags, sofa, and automobile interior areas. In the scanning area, it equips with a high-definition linear camera and laser scanning system. It can precisely identify the defects and capture the contour of the leather, do auto nesting, optimize the cutting route, calculate the cutting material cost, and record cutting data. Most importantly, it greatly saves material and labor. In the cutting area, it adopts CCD camera for positioning and calibration. The machine has 2 working arms and 2 working heads, and they can work simultaneously, interactively, and continuously, which brings working efficiency 1.5 times up. Each piece of the leather will be numbered automatically. In the collecting area, you will have projector system for visual assist. Everything is easily under control with an intelligent system. Take a 45 square feet leather for example. With RuiZhou cutting machine, it is estimated to cut 6,000 to 6,500 square feet per day. It will meet your requirements deeply and thoroughly. Moreover, the cutting pieces will be precise and standard, which can hardly be achieved by manual work. Consequently, it saves the cost of management and support personnel.